Good morning. Today is 670 ice baths in a row. It's kind of cold, 45. Not as cold as yesterday, but still cold enough, so I'm going to wear a beanie hat today. And I'm going to get in this 41 degree water. The plunge. People ask me about the plunge all the time. Yes, it has a chiller. You can hear it. I can hear it. It's pretty loud to me. Maybe not on video. But it also has filters. You can see the water circulating. You see this? There's a jet in here. There's a light over there. There's the drain. And then on the other side, there's another jet over there and a filter. Yeah, so it's got filters. It circulates the water, which makes it colder when you're in there, by the way. But yeah, it's a dedicated cold bath ice plunge. That's what it is. It's designed for this stuff, guys. So you don't need ice. I hear people saying all the time, there's no ice. It's like, yeah, this is colder. I see guys all the time doing ice baths where the water's like 50 degrees and it's full of ice. I keep this between 39 and 41. So I'm 10 degrees colder than them, guys. But just because you don't see ice, people get fooled. Like, oh, it's not an ice bath. Yeah, it is an ice bath. It's freezing cold. But anyway, it's a dedicated ice bath, guys. So it's Sunday morning. Woo! In the fall here. Late October. Halloween is this week. Do you guys like Halloween? Do you not? Our neighborhood gets crazy for Halloween. You can't believe it. If you drove around our neighborhood, if you're not from the area, you would be shocked at all the Halloween decorations. I mean, some of these houses have 4, 5, 6 of those 12-foot tall monsters and ghouls and Draculas. I mean, tons of houses have stuff. Like, as much as Christmas. It's crazy how much people go for Halloween around here. I love Halloween as well. It's a fun holiday. And I love that my neighborhood gets into it. I mean, almost every house in our neighborhood, and we have 1,000 homes in this area, has Christmas lights. Like, almost every single one. I remember in Portland, there's a place called Peacock Lane that we would go to when I was a kid. And it was really cool because every house had amazing light displays. And I think you had to sign a form if you bought a house in Peacock Lane that you were going to participate. That's how it is here all the time. Every house, I mean, every neighborhood around here is like Peacock Lane. If you're from a different area and they come to Boise, you're like, wow, yeah, these guys get into Christmas. They get into Halloween. It's pretty crazy. But I love that. So I hope you're going to have an awesome day. It's a beautiful blue sky day. I love that red tree over there. I can't stop looking at it. But I was thinking this morning about the slight edge philosophy. You haven't read that book, The Slight Edge, by Jeff Olson. You should read it. It doesn't take drastic changes in life. And Atomic Habits kind of builds on that same philosophy, but small changes repeated consistently over a long period of time is really how you change things in life. It's very rare that drastic changes work. We all know this. Trying to do something cold turkey, trying to do something drastically, it's very rare that that works. It can work, but it's just not very often. What works consistently is small, slight changes over a long period of time. So if you're on the wrong track, or you have some things not going well, you can try the big, giant change, but it's better just to make small, little incremental changes and do them consistently. Every day. That's why I do this ice bath every day like this, guys, because consistency wins. Figure out what you want. Determine the price you're going to have to pay to get it, and then start gradually to start paying that price and becoming that person, and you will get it. It takes time. So have a longer time perspective. Don't expect instant breakfast. That's the problem now, is we live in a society that wants instant breakfast and instant results. And with the internet age and the people growing up these days, instantaneous gratification is so strong and rampant. Have patience. Develop patience. Develop a longer time frame. And you can do amazing things. People overestimate what they can do today, but they underestimate what they can do in 5 years. Remember that. All right, guys, have an awesome day. Let me know what you're going to do. It's Sunday. It's a beautiful sunny day, so get outside. Take care.